Well, I just came across the easiest and fastest way to make money online right now. You can literally make hundreds of dollars per day posting videos that you don't even have to create or even hire someone to make. Realistically, you could spend less than an hour of your day doing this and easily add an income stream with the least amount of effort possible. And to make it better, I'm going to let you in on my secret on how to do this method full-time without actually spending any time on it. Because even though this can make you a considerable amount, time is still money and you need to be using it as efficiently as possible. But before we get into this, I just want to say that this method is actually not about YouTube cash cows. So with that in mind, let's get right into it. Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I want to talk about a brand new method that I can guarantee almost none of you know about, and this is essentially a gold mine where you can take the entire cash cow model as we know it and make a lot of money re-uploading other people's videos. But the crazy part is that we're not going to be doing this on YouTube. Why, you ask? Well, because there's a new platform in town that is taking YouTube by storm and literally making people hundreds of dollars per day without needing to get monetized, make their own videos, or virtually do any real work. I know it sounds crazy and it's coming off really clickbaity, but bear with me because I'm going to show you all about this site and why I think this is a real competitor to YouTube and how much money you can make. And as I mentioned, by the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how you can hire someone for literally just a few dollars a day to day in and day out make you tons of money with it. So if you guys already knew about this method or are excited to start, make sure you leave a comment with your impression. You guys can brag about how much money you've earned doing this, and I want to see who can make the most amount of money using this method. Okay, I'm not gonna waste any of your guys' time, so let's get right into the strategy. We're gonna hop right onto YouTube, and this is where we're gonna start the hunt for the videos that we're gonna be reposting to make all this money. It can literally be any niche, and I'm gonna show you how we can take these videos and ensure that we aren't actually stealing anyone's content, but rather using videos that are given us permission to repost and repurpose. So let's just search for funny cat videos because there's a huge market for this and they'll never go out of style. So in the search bar, you want to just type in funny cat videos, and now the key thing we need to do is go into filters and select creative comments. This is going to ensure that we're not getting into any trouble while using these videos and we can actually make money on these without needing the owner's permission. So now just select this video and then we're gonna go into the top, select the link and head over to the site over here. I will leave a link in the description for you guys, but simply just place the link, click convert, select the highest quality download you can, and then press get link. Once the link appears, simply download the video, and then from there, we can move on to the next step. Okay, now let's see what platform I've been talking about and how much money we're gonna make doing this method. So the site that I'm talking about is called Rumble. This is a new and upcoming video streaming site similar to YouTube or Vimeo. And the reason it's so special is because one, you can get paid without being monetized and with very low effort. And second, if we look over here, we can see that this site is getting over 80 million views a month with a previous peak of 135 million. This is actually huge and it really shows the potential of how big this site could get. Another amazing thing about this site is that nearly 100% of the traffic is coming from tier 1 countries, meaning that if you were to post videos with affiliate links or sending traffic to products or services, this entire business model could get a lot more profitable. And I'm also going to show you how to do that, so hold on for that. Now I just want to show you the potential of this site and why I think it's such an amazing way to make easy income online. There really aren't that many strategies left to make money online with very low effort, so knowing this can really change a lot of people's lives. I'm going to show you a few examples of how much money you can make by literally reposting other people's videos, and if you guys are impressed and excited to do this on your own, all I ask is that you leave a like and just drop a comment with your thoughts. I'd love to know how many of you guys try this out. Okay, so since we're going to be posting about funny cats, let's literally search that and see what comes up. Okay, look at this. Literally a few videos in, we can see one video that is only 2 minutes long and has earned almost $800. No, I'm not gonna play this video in case there's copyright, but I have watched this and it's not a cash cow video with a professional script or a voiceover or any crazy editing. It's literally a raw video of a cat beefing another cat. If this doesn't show you how incredible this opportunity is, I don't know what will. Anyways, now that you guys see how crazy this is, let's get down to business. So go back to the homepage and we're just gonna wanna create an account. There will be options to sign up as a free account, a publisher account, and a business account. You're gonna wanna make sure you select the free account because this one will, as you can imagine, be free to create and will allow you to earn through ads that we played on the videos. So once that's done, you can simply just press the green upload button up at the top right, and then you can start uploading the video that we took from YouTube. So once you're there, just drag and drop and start filling in the information as you normally would from YouTube. Do your best to write an enticing title and description. And if you're unsure on how to write a converting title, just search around on the site to see how all the highest performing videos did it for themselves. Now, the last key thing you want to remember when uploading your videos is that when you make it onto this screen, you want to make sure you select the video management excluding YouTube option. This will ensure that once it's posted, it'll only be posted here, and then you can make the most amount of money without getting into any trouble. And that's pretty much it. Now, before you upload the video, I want to talk about another way that you can make this video even more profitable, putting more cash in your pocket. All right, so jumping right into it, head over to clickbank.com, which is an affiliate marketing website. On the top right-hand side of the page, you can click sign up. So just fill out all the required fields and you're in. Now, what's awesome about this site is that you can search a variety of categories of products to sell. So for example, since we're posting about funny cats, we'll go into the search bar and just search for cats. After you do that, filter your results by gravity. This will rearrange all the products in order of how popular they are through sales. And now the beauty of ClickBank is that they will show you what your anticipated commission will be once somebody buys. You literally will make money for doing practically nothing. So looking at this product, which is a guide on how to stop cats from spraying, as you can see, this will make you an average of $26 per every copy you sell. So simply click on the red promote button, create the hop link, and then copy your affiliate link and go to bit.ly.com. Most of you probably know what bit.ly.com is. It's kind of like magic. It'll shorten your link and make it a lot easier to look at by removing all the numerical and alphabetical letters. And now once you have that done, copy the newly created short link and paste it in your description. Then to draw attention to the link, make a little title for it to give it the extra push to encourage your viewers to click on it. Once you're done, click the upload button and let the money start coming in. Now that the only hard part is out of the way, we can go to the account overview and we'll see here our stats for the channel and how much money we've earned. Now, I'm still fresh onto this method and I will be doing it for myself, but check out my friend who's been doing this and how much money he's earned doing this exact same method. It's actually insane. Now, before we go, as promised, I want to show you probably the greatest thing about this entire method and how you can literally hire someone for a few dollars to do this entire thing for you day in and day out and make so much money with the least amount of effort possible. So hop on Facebook and find a group with virtual assistants. I suggest using the one called Virtual Assistant Savvies. So apply to get in, and once you're accepted, just make a post asking for someone to help you simply download videos and upload them onto another website. There are so many hardworking people here, and you can easily find someone to do this between $1 to $2 an hour, which is insane. So you can literally have them working all day, every day, and earn so much more using this exact same method. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it of value. You guys are all MVPs and legends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.